everybody, so I'm just back real quick to share with you my planner sticker storage. I just did a haul video and I shared with you this Dollar Tree binder, and I also shared with you a photo album. Well, that photo album, it's crap. As I was putting things into the pockets, all the plastic, the clear plastic pockets were just peeling and they were just coming apart, so I tossed it in the trash. So that's, you know, $1 in the trash, but that's okay. So I did pull out this other Dollar Tree album that I've had. I had picked up a few of these, although because it's a hardcover it doesn't, you know, get flat. But anyway, so let me just share what I've done, and I'll also go through the inside. Let me put this here. So again, I found this last year around Mother's Day, and now you know, they got a lot of cute things coming out for Mother's Day, so you know, just be on the lookout. It does have a window here, and I've actually altered one of these, or two, I can't remember if it was one or two, for my mom. So it's, you know, this got covered up and a lot of flowers and things, but I left this as is. All I did was put this sticker that I made myself a while back, so I don't even know where the image came from. So I just slid that in there. That's my webcam that you see in the reflection there. So although it's like only half full, so once it fills up more, it's going to be really thick. So I will be in search of a better soft cover photo album, because I do like the way this came out. And then I'm going to just show you what's inside. And personally, the other one is slid from the side, and I actually like the side instead of the up, you know, up here, but that's okay. For now, we're just using it as is. I mainly wanted it for these smaller stickers. I printed these out. These are from Paper and Gumption. I've showed you this before. So I printed them out. You get 4 on a sheet, and then you just cut them. So I kind of organized them, like in this whole thing, it's the sheep one. So this would be non-functional stickers, and these are more functional, like cleaning and stuff like that. And then over here we got some bow stuff from the same store. Then here are the stickers that I just picked up from Target not that long ago. They have them where they got the gifts and cards and stuff like that. So I like to take stuff out of its packaging when I can, because packaging can be very bulky. So all my planner stickers that I had still in packaging, I unpacked throughout all the packaging and put them in the 2 binders, or this and the binder. And these I printed a long time ago. These are my own images that I had done. I'm not even going to take this out. More functional stickers. Although in my planners I do keep some that I use all the time. So these are like extras, and then we have stuff that I'm not using at the time. These are store-bought. I could spread them out a little more, like here I have a couple together, but I just left them that way. I do use these a lot, so now because they're out of the packaging, I won't know, or I won't remember who's who, but I know this one because part of it is cut. It's Becky Higgins or Becky something, maybe not now. But I do love these numbers, and I didn't realize after I pulled out everything that there are some like really super tiny ones in there too. These are the days of the week, and then here these are a little puffy, but I do want to use this in the planner. These I know are from Hobby Lobby. I did have to cut the sides to fit in here, and that I wouldn't have had to done if I had to slip it from the side. And that's it. So oh, I did throw this in here. I had this. This is just a washi sample card. This was tucked in with my stickers for some reason. Okay, so then, and I like this design actually, so I don't mind this design. It coordinates. So then we go to our Dollar Tree planner. Now, the only problem with this is, and I don't know if they're all going to be this way, the label that was on here, it did not come off. It was a mess, so I had to use undo, and I use a lot of undo to get it off and clean it up. So I didn't like that fact. So if they're going to be putting stickers, then they should put it in places that it's not going to matter. Here you see that I did put the Carpe Diem decal, planner decal that I had picked up at Hobby Lobby. They had clearance these out for $1. and I picked up several, so I decided to use this. I was going to use a love sticker. I think it was gifted to me, but unfortunately, once you pull it off, this happened. So I couldn't use that, unfortunately. So I decided to just pull out one of those planner stickers, and it's a decal, so you do have to, you know, read the instructions to get it on here, but it does work. And since these are planner stickers for me, that's why I put Live, Love, Plan. And inside I did put a whole pack of sleeves that I find at Target. I didn't put anything in this pocket yet, but you know, there's room to grow there. And in the back I threw in this one because this is the only, it's Becky Higgins. Those other stickers I was mentioning is Becky Higgins. This is the only pack that I know of that's a chipboard sticker, but I do want to use this in the planner, so I just put that in here instead of in a pocket. So I also want to go over, now if you watched my very last video, it's a haul video. Hold on one second. Let me see. From Walmart. I'm going to show you, because I was pleasantly surprised to find out that inside some of these planner stickers from Walmart, they don't put the back, right? So you don't know, you think you're getting all the same, but some of these are actually, they give you different stickers in each pack. So I'm going to show you. Okay, this one I believe they're all the same inside, but I think the rest had different ones. So let me see. Luckily I had bought 2 of each. Okay, so this pack right here, see, you can't tell, but it tells you it's got 4, right? It actually came with 2 of these and 2 of these with planner related stickers. So that was a pleasant surprise. That one again didn't come with anything other than what you see. And I think this one, yeah, so that one also comes only with 4 of the same. Okay, so that comes with the same stuff, and then this one comes with the same. This one had different ones, so if you're looking, you know, then you'll know. This one here that had the little dots is this here. Hold on one second. Hold on, I'm sorry, because I got this new phone and hubby's wanting to make sure that it's working. It is. The only thing I gotta do is you know, when you slide to type instead of typing each number, I haven't set that, so I gotta do each. Okay. So this one here, see, that's what you see here, comes with 2 of these, which I love. A to-do list, a blank no line list, and then another one with lines: now, later, appointment, goal, and love. So that was really cool that it came with all that. So I showed you that one. Okay. And then this one comes with that and this. So 2 of each of those designs. And this one here, remember, these are strips, and then these are separate arrows. That's not it. This one came with more, which I was surprised. So you're getting 4 different things in here. So there's only 1 sheet of each, but here's the one that you see in front. Then you get this one that has gifts, washing machine, shopping, flags. It's got this one, boxes, and then this. So I don't know, it's so weird. I mean, I wish they would have done it in a way so you know what you're getting, because I probably would have grabbed more of these, because I like to have duplicates. And that Walmart I don't go to often, so unfortunately I'm gonna check the one that I do go to a lot and see if they have them, but I don't think they do, because I was just there not that long ago. Okay, so then the unicorn one has that, and I think it was just the 2. Let me see. Yeah, so it has 2 of each. Alright, so that was a pleasant surprise to find that out. I mean, they could have at least turned one sheet backwards on there, but I guess I didn't think of that. Anyway, just so you know, if you are looking and you find them, that you get more than what you think in some of those. So then I just threw in stuff that I already had. I had previously cut that already, but these are from Hobby Lobby. These are all the recollection stickers. I kind of left these together in one thing because they kind of coordinate with each other. I was also pleasantly surprised with this particular pack. I pulled it out, and by chance I kind of split it up to make sure that they were all the same. And this was tucked in between. I don't know why, if it's a little freebie or if this came out of something else, but this is really cute because it has Michael's haul, make it with Michael's, so I thought that was so neat, but it was just tucked in between this. So I thought that was strange, and that's Recollections. And I do want to make stickers with the stores that I shop in. Although I don't normally know that I'm going there until the same day, but still I like to, you know, track it. So more Recollection stickers, planner stickers mostly. And my workout ones. And then this was from a previous pocket that I had these in. And then this here, these are two also from Michael's. I love these. And I only picked up one of each, but when they go on sale again, I'll probably grab more. And they have different ones. So they're called enamel stickers, but they have the foiling. It's really cool. And I still got a couple of empty ones left over for more stickers. So that is what I did with the Dollar Tree folder, and then this one, which I bought last year again, because the other one I threw away. It just sucked. Anyway, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye now.